How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Caswell Customs. Vinny here, and today we're doing something I've been wanting to do to the truck for a while now, and you know what? We got a sponsor. So ADDW1 reached out to us and said, hey, we want to send you guys some parts, see if you can do a video of you putting them on your truck. So I was like, yeah, that'd be awesome. Super excited. I first learned about ADW1 from Robbie Ferreira, from watching his YouTube channel. I know he does a ton of stuff with them. You know, he's mostly cars and stuff. I mean, he did recently just get a truck, but you know, I've seen his content, seen that he works with them. So when they reached out to us, I was super excited. So they sent over an oil catch can, which is going to be this video. They also sent us a gauge kind of switch up. You know, it's basically an overlay to make your gauge look a little bit cooler. So that'll be next video coming after this one, but super excited. So let's go ahead and show you what they sent us. So this is the catch can that they sent over to us. It looks like it's super high quality. I'm super excited to get on the truck, so I'll run you through a little unboxing. Okay, so let's show you everything that comes inside the box. So this is kind of a generic kit. So we're going to show you how to make it work for the 07 to 13 5.3 liter. So it comes with a little bit of instructions, as always. Stickers, gotta love the stickers. But there's your bracket for mounting it up, hose clamps, and pretty much everything else you'd need. So now let's show you the good part, the actual catch can. So I mean, this is just super nice, high quality, feels great. It's got a little dipstick for checking to see how full your catch can is, to see if you need to empty it, and then just untwists, and there it is. So let's go ahead and start the process of getting all this on the truck. Alright, so got it all put together. It's really simple. Just follow the instructions that they give you. You know, I did a little time lapse of it all going together. Not too difficult. So now we're going to show you how to get it actually into the truck. So got it bracket done the way that I want it to, and we'll show you kind of where it's going to go in here. Basically, I'm going to be up in the engine bay, and it's going to go right off this alternator bolt here. So we're going to go ahead and undo that, get it mounted, and then I'll show you how to route all the hosing and get this baby in there. So first we'll start with taking our cover off here. Pop that up, pop right out, set that around. So basically where this is going to be going is, this is going to be where one of the hoses goes in. That right there, we're going to pull that out, and then it feeds down here and back to there. So we've got to pull those two pieces out and get the catch can plugged in. Like I said, we'll be undoing this bolt right here to actually mount the can. So we're going to start there, we're going to take this out and mount it up. All you're going to need is a 15mm ratchet. or socket and ratchet. Pull that out, and then take this, and we're going to put it on the end one. If we use the other one, it's going to actually sit and probably rub against our serpentine belt, which we definitely don't want that, so that's why we're going to go to this one. Now we've got it mounted in there. Now it's just getting our hoses to their proper spots. So just like the directions show, your inlet is going to come from your PCV, which is going to be your head cover, so that one back there, and your outlet is going to go to the intake manifold, which is going to be this one up here. So this side here we have our inlet, that side there we have our outlet. So like I said, the outlet is going to go all the way up here to the intake manifold. Inlet is going to go all the way back there. So now let's go ahead and get this taken off. So basically we're just going to reach back in here. It's going to be a little push tab. You're going to push that away and it'll just pop up, which allows us to then rotate this, which is actually easier if you undo this. So let's go ahead and actually do that, get this out of the way so we can then get that the rest of the way out. In order to do that, we're just going to need a 10mm socket. Do that one there. And lift that up out of the way. Which then allow us to rotate that, get that out of there. Get this bad boy up and out of there. So here's that piece we just got out of there, and it comes with these, which is identical to the one on the intake side, the inlet side, which is great. So we'll be able to use this. Fortunately, this is a little bit different, the way that it goes into the top of the intake. Plus that hose isn't quite long enough, which is going to be okay, but basically we're going to cut this here and add our hose onto this and use our hose clamps. Go ahead and tighten it down, and that way we'll have enough space, and this will just go right back into the intake. So let's go ahead and cut this and get that all attached together. Okay, so went ahead and cut it. I just used a pair of wire snip. Recommend a pipe cutter to get that off, and then we're just going to use one of these hose clamps and throw it on the catch can. So this is our new little inlet piece. So this is the inlet side. I'm going to go ahead and take that hose, get a hose clamp on there, and then feed that in nice and snug. And we'll go ahead and take our screwdriver, tighten it down. Now that that's connected, we're going to go ahead and feed it back into here and just clip it on. Now we're going to take this end and we're going to take that piece that we cut off, and we're going to feed it in just like that. Make sure you put your hose clamp on first. So get the hose clamp started. Go ahead and feed that in there. I'm going to feed it in a decent amount just to make sure it doesn't come off or go anywhere. I'm going to take our hose clamp, tighten it down. So now we got that all tightened up, let's go ahead and just feed it up in here and rotate it in. Boom, and just like that, that's in nice and good. We'll route that through here, that way the cover goes over it. Now we go ahead and tighten back down this wiring harness up here. Alrighty, so just like that, we have everything installed. So let me go and just kind of run you through where we're going. Right there is the outlet hose that we just cut and attached to the new hose that feeds to the catch can. And then right over there is our inlet hose. That comes off our valve cover. And it's kind of dark in there. We'll zoom in a little bit. But right back there is our inlet hose, and that comes right off the valve cover and comes back to the catch can. So basically it feeds from there to the catch can into the intake. So the reason why we want a catch can is to eliminate any kind of oil that could be coming out of that valve cover into the intake. So now that's all in, let's go ahead and start it up and see how everything's working. Alright, so as you can see, I didn't put the the cover back on. I just want to make sure everything was good. We're going to check, make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. Make sure we're not having any issues. Then I'll go ahead and put the cover back on, and we should be good to go. So let it run for a little bit, and let you know how it goes and see if we have any leaks. Alright, so I checked over everything. The truck is running great. There's no engine problems or anything, so I went ahead and put the cover back on. But I mean, that looks so good, but it just looks like it belongs in there. You know, it's just nice and chill. It's in there, but it looks like it should be. It doesn't look out of place, but it's still like, it looks so good. So that, that's what I love. Awesome clean finish. I mean, the carbon fiber black and red looks great. So super happy with that. Alright, I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful if you were looking at getting a catch can for your 07 to 13 Silverado or Sierra. Thank you ADDW1 so much for helping us out with this video. Giving us that catch can was huge. So super thankful for them. Guys, if you guys are interested in getting a catch can for your truck, check them out. I will have a link in the description for their products. Super great quality stuff. And stay tuned for the next video that we're going to be doing of the gauge cluster install. That's going to look so good. Super stoked to get that on. So as always, if you liked the video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're enjoying the content, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Vinny, this is Caswell Customs, and I'll see you in the next one.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.